just got long, 62.75. We're breaking through this 88 line, which is very strong resistance. So if we were able to break through that, it's a pretty strong market. Got professional activity on the way up, breaking through support. My volume imbalance footprint chart is just off the. It's crazy. Tremendous amount of delta momentum to the upside. Substantial institutional activity is indicated by all these orders here. Just nothing but solid bid this morning. Definitely a late entry. Not happy about the late entry. Let's hope it plays out. I mean, so now we got the volume POC from the profile, 62.75. So the question is, they're going to be able to hold these levels and keep going. What I don't like seeing right now is this really coming off there. So all the other majors are pointing to the sky. We have VIX is in the dirt. Bonds are dumping. So it's just a matter to see who wins on this little fight right here. I don't like how volume just completely dropped off. Definitely going against me right now, taking a little bit of heat. Should have waited to get in on this, but $62.50. Yeah, I might kill this crate. Thinking about getting out of this trade, but I'm not sure. Cumulative delta continues to come off. Ticks are nicey tick is dropping, but this could just be a small pullback. Just added to my position. Looks like we got a little bit of a bump here, and volume to the upside, but I hope I didn't screw myself even more. The reason I got in added to it was cyclical support printed, and got this bullish divergence here. It's definitely a fight going on right around here. And I sure hope I didn't screw myself. I hope that was just a little bit of a bump, little test, bounce off overnight high, and then going to continue back up in there. But it looks like I'm not. Not good. Okay, this trade I may just take it to break even. If I can get it back to break even, then I'll probably do that. But my delta momentum is showing signs of life. I want to bring that chart into the screen here because I got my finger on this trigger. Because if we can't get past this last little run up, then that's going to be a problem. I don't want to. This may be my second chance. This is not looking like I like it at all. This is terrible, man. I do not like this heat at all. But we just got to pop in everything. But I got to keep my head about me. Come on. I mean, I have a chance to get out right now with minimal loss. But I got volume coming in. We're above broke the highs of these pro bars just like I anticipated on the heels of these amateur bars here. This flare out right here indicates we could possibly have more continued upside movement, but overnight highs proven to be a level to get above. Which is that purple line right here, 6150. There's another pro bar. Come on. Just lift it up a little bit. A lot of selling going on up here. If we can get it, oh wow, there's another pro bar right there. If we can get above overnight high, there's going to be some trap shorts right here. All these guys trying to sell it. If we can get above 6125, which is overnight high, boom, these guys are going to puke, and then we will be on our way to saving this trade. Wow. Come on. Keep it going. Don't give up. This is not good. So it can go either way. Exhaustion buy, bearish divergence. Just had a flush pattern. I didn't see all that happening while I was sitting through that trade. I would have got out probably a lot earlier, but I think we're going to be okay. I don't think this time this particular setup's going to work. This is a short setup right here. It's trifecta, but they keep playing with this level, and I'm thinking that we're going to take it above it this time. Come on. Okay, there we go. There we go. Come on. Don't give up. Delta momentum is picking up. Come on. Have an opportunity to scratch this trade right now. But I want to. This has got to keep going. 63.25. all the other indices are starting to come back around. Oil's ripping, VIX is dumping, so this is probably going to be a false signal, which is good for me. Come on. Come on. Step on it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get through there. Wow. I got out, and that was 3/4. Yeah, couple of reasons. I mean, it's a lot to sit through to get 3/4 of a point, but you know what? I was looking at a cumulative 6 points of loss if I would have taken that off. So a couple of reasons had me get out. I was going to hold on and see what if we can make new highs and get in there and get a little bit more out of this for having to sit through all that heat. But I got a major resistance line here at 62.50, and I also have cyclical resistance that's going to print on this chart sooner or later. Okay, and these lines have already crossed, so it's going to print quickly. And also I've got this trifecta here that normally is a bearish setup that I take. Alright, so let's take a look here. I had these amateur bars come in with a Rambo pattern indicated by this R, and if you see a professional bar coming behind that, odds are it's gonna reverse, because these amateurs think we're gonna get, break to new low, not new lows, but in terms of this consolidation, break to new lows, and then they get wrong-footed. Amateur or pros step in and catch them off guard or off sides. So same thing here. It's a trick. It's tricky because I got another professional bar here, along with cyclical resistance that's wanting to print. But yet I have all of this institutional activity right here. Several hundred lots going off. Delta momentum is just rising steadily. This was conflicting data telling me basically to stay in this trade, because now we're back up. Now there's the first cyclical resistance that printed. Now I would have got a little bit more out of that trade. Volume's coming in. They're probably going to take it to new highs now. But you know what? I don't care, man, right now, because it takes a lot to sit through that kind of heat. For me, it does anyways. So I'm pleased with the performance. I wish I would have waited until price actually pulled back to enter on the cyclical support. That's what I kind of like to do when we're moving up. This was a really bad location to get long, but we had come up off the early morning lows, pro bars all up along the way just about, and it just appeared that nothing was stopping it. We didn't stop at open. That's a mechanical reference. We didn't stop at the overnight high. That's usually a mechanical reference. The fact that we've blown through all of those so easily today and this morning indicates to me that this is more than daytime, just regular day traders. Usually they like to play on the levels. So the fact, I was actually thinking about maybe going short, here, but we blew right through overnight high. Nonetheless, I saved a bad trade, so I want to take that and be pleased with how I managed managed myself throughout this trade. This is a follow-up video from my first trade, from this trade I just got out of. I'm very pleased with my exit. I could have got 62.50. I don't know, another 3/4 of a point out of it. Why push it when I just saved myself, cumulative 6 points of loss. So at any rate, yeah, my analysis or my expectation was price was gonna, bounce off of cyclical resistance, especially with this these signals here firing. I mean, this is now a good short, but I'm not getting in on it. I need a little bit of time to decompress after that, after going through that. But I just wanted to give a little update on what price is doing now since I've been out, because it appeared that it was going to keep going after I once I killed the video. All right, just wanted to throw that in.